Hi everyone, stock price predictions here. I want to go over the CPI report with you guys and let you guys know how it turned out today. If you would, hit that like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can see it first. Now, I'm giving away a Ps5. So, if you hit that subscribe button, you will automatically be entered for your chance to win a Ps5. So don't miss out. I'm not a financial advisor, so take everything that I say with a grain of salt and do your own research when investing. And remember, only invest what you're willing to lose. So let's get into the CPI report. All right, here we go. Okay, so the CPI report came out and it wasn't too bad. It wasn't too bad at all. It was actually pretty good. Okay, Bloomberg had an estimate that they thought it was going to be up 0.9% with the inflation. Okay, so Bloomberg was wrong. Okay, the CPI report was only up 0.5%. So that's not bad. That is not bad at all. There's nothing to worry about. Inflation is doing okay. Now, from a year-to-year basis, inflation is up 5.4%. Yes, that's kind of high, but it's gonna work its way back down now. It's kind of risen up. Now it's kind of on a platform and it should start to find its way down. Okay, so we only reported at 0.5% inflation for the CPI this month. Now I want to get into some of the things that are being sold, some items, and let you know the prices and the inflation and the CPI on that. So we'll start with used cars. Used cars are only up 0.2% in the last month. 0.2% on used cars. That is a good sign. Okay. Meat is up 1.5%. I'm going to read off some of these bad things. Okay. Meat up 1.5%. Okay. Gas is up 2.4%. Okay. Bread is up 3.7%. Hot dogs are up 4.8%. That was one of the biggest ones, were the hot dogs. Okay. Now I do have some good news with some food. Fruit is down, you won't believe this, 5.4%. 5.4%. That's down a lot. Now with the rent is up 0.4%. Okay. 0.4% on rent. Air travel is down 0.1%. Okay, rent is up 0.4%. Rent is up. Air travel is down 0.1%. That's not bad. That is not bad at all. Okay, the housing market is up 0.2%. Okay, so they're starting to level out now. The housing market was rising up super high. It's found its balance, like this whole CPI report is at 0.5, and hopefully it's came up and it's going to plateau, and it looks like it's going to start coming down. Okay, one bad thing that is up, which is crazy, which is hard to believe, and that is hotels. Hotels are up 6%. I don't know why. Probably because of Florida and everyone's traveling to Florida, but hotels are up 6%. Personal services are up 2.2%. That's up pretty high. But overall, the CPI report has not gone up much. We're still at 5.4%. I believe last month we were at 5.1%, so we're only up 0.3%. That's not that bad. Okay, so after the CPI report, the S&P 500 did rise. It took a big gain. It went up like 2%. Almost 2% after the CPI report came out. So that is good news. The growth stocks, they're kind of frozen right now. They didn't go up much. They're just hanging around where they closed, which I'm surprised at because they usually go up when the CPI report is good. Index funds didn't get much movement. Actually, nothing got much movement. There's one sector that has gotten a lot of movement. But the whole stock market was really boring today. It's been boring all week. Nothing is moving. Nothing's really going up. Nothing's going down. But that should change with this good news from the CPI report. This is better news than expected. Okay, like I said, Bloomberg expected it to go up 0.9%. It only went up 0.5%. So that's great news. Now, the sector that I want to speak about is the bank sector. They have gone up this week. Okay, most of them have gone up 2% this week. But we have one that standing out right now. And that's Morgan Stanley. They are up 7% on the week. 7% on the week. Okay, so the banks, they are growing right now. Their stocks are growing, and that is because they knew what the CPI report was going to be. They knew the CPI report was going to be good. Therefore, people were buying, institutions were buying, and the stock prices are going up in the bank sector. So hey, that's good news, because when the bank sectors fall, that makes me think the market is going to crash. That's what I follow to check on the market. Also with the index funds is a good way to check the market. So the banks are up, all the banks. I checked them all, and they're all up an average of 2.2% on the week. So they knew what was coming with the CPI report. You can follow the banks, the bank sector with the CPI report, and it kind of hints to you how the report's going to come out. So we're only up 0.5%. That's not too bad. Things should start going down now. It's the time of the year where the CPIs start going back down. So let's look for that, and let's look for a good bounce in the stock market. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit the like and subscribe button. And when you subscribe, you'll have a chance to win a PS5. I'm not a financial advisor, so take everything that I say with a grain of salt. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it useful, and I'll be posting another video soon. See you then.